Alright, so here's Appa, very simple curry chicken. Let's garnish it with some fresh curry leaves.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is one of those who will crave for Malaysian curry chicken at least once a month. Any of you who is the same as Appa, do leave your comment section. Do leave your comment in the comment section below. Yeah. So let's take a look at the ingredient today. I have 1 kg of free-range chicken parts. Yeah, cut it into chunks, and I marinated it with some fish sauce. You can marinate it with some salt, or also you can put in some curry powder as well. Up to you. So how do we make the curry powders? As you all know, Appa always makes my own curry powders. So these are the 4 types of curry powders I'm using today. Let me show you one by one. First of all, this is 2 portions of red chili powder that gives you the reddish color. Now, for those who are, some people ask me, Appa, if I scared of spicy, if my family scared of spicy, can I add lesser red chili powder? Can, but to be very frank with you, this chili powder by, I'm using Babas, yeah, Babas chili powder, it's not spicy at all. It just really gives you the nice reddish color. So this is 2 portion, about close to 2 tablespoons. And this is 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. This one, yeah. This is 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander powder. Okay, coriander powder. And this is 1 tablespoon of meat curry powder, also from Babas. Easier lah. Now I have actually accidentally bought 1 Pakistani curry red chili powder before. Super spicy. So be very careful and be sure to know which kind of powder that you are actually buying. Of course, you want to go for spicy, you can look for others. Yeah. Then we will need some fresh spices. I have some shallot. Yeah. Thinly sliced shallot, a bit more. Then we have some curry leaves. I have some minced garlic, minced ginger, and also minced fresh coriander roots. Over here, I have some potato chunks. Curry chicken should never go without potato. And of course, I'll be using some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder here. For those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore. For those who are not interested, don't worry about it. Optional. Then here, I have some fresh coconut milk, okay? And some tomato chunks. So we're going to start with making the curry paste. First, give it a bit of oil. Oh, actually, a lot more oil we needed whenever you are making a curry, especially curry paste, because all the curry powder is going to soak up all your oil. All right, so let's heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, you can put in the fresh ingredient here, and let's saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. You really want to bring out all the nice fragrance on the fresh herbs itself. Wow, already it smells really good. Some people may not realize this. When they are sauteing some ingredient, they thought they are the sauteing process is for that particular ingredient. Actually, let me tell you, it's actually for the oil. Now you are making the oil super fragrant. Yeah, now your oil is very fragrant, in which your oil later is going to flavor whatever you are cooking after this. So once the moment you start seeing some of the ingredient or started to get brownish like this, tune down the fire to low fire. Why? Because we are about to add in the mixed curry powders. Curry powders can get burnt extremely easy. Therefore, always make sure you lower down the heat before you add in the curry powders. After which, then only you can slowly increase the heat to a medium or medium low. And now, it is time that you need to put in a little bit of patience. Right, use medium or medium low heat to slowly saute your curry paste for minimum 3 to 5 minutes. Then only the curry powders will be ready. And one thing you really don't want to happen right in this particular stage is don't make your curry powder to get chao ta. If you're scared, use medium low heat. Don't worry, don't use medium heat if you're scared, because it really can get chao ta. The moment it gets chao ta, then your whole curry is spoiled. It will become bitter. So maybe you just safest is to use medium low heat to slowly saute this curry paste for about 3 to 5 minutes. And you need to keep on stirring. It will be good if you can use a non-stick wok. That will make your cooking easier. You will also lessen the risk of getting chao ta. Okay, keep on stirring for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Some people ask Appa, if I don't use all the different powders that you have, I just use any one of the already curry powders, can or not? Can lah. You just add in about 3 tablespoons of that particular curry powders. Good enough, okay? No problem. There's no law, no rules in Appa's kitchen, yeah? And that is your kitchen. You decide how you want to cook it. Most importantly is don't make your curry powders become chao ta. Right, this is approximately 4 minutes sauteing my curry powder. Now I'm going to put in a few pieces of tomato and my marinated chicken parts. Also my potato. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Give it few stir. Wow. Next thing, I'm going to add some diluted coconut milk. This is half of the coconut milk, but I diluted with same amount of water. I still some thickened coconut milk leave for towards the end. And adding water until everything is nicely submerged under the curry broth. I throw in one more, 2 more potato. This is tomato. Wow. I'm going to scrape the bottom. So we want to bring everything to a boil. Meanwhile, we can actually season this. Look at the beautiful chili oil. Woohoo! I'm going to start with giving the 1 teaspoon of salt, some light soy sauce, some sugar, some of my cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Immediately it will make the curry chicken broth to become chicken stock. Wow, look at this. We will leave the thickened coconut milk towards the end, yeah? Some don't dare to add coconut milk too early because if they are scared that the coconut oil may get separate too early. I don't really worry about that, seriously. So let's bring this to a boil. One thing interesting to share with you all, you will notice today's Appa's the chili oil is very reddish. You know why? Because it's actually a new packet I opened. Now the thing about red chili powders is this. It is very hot, it is very reddish. It gives you very reddish color when it is newly opened. But if once you leave it there for like 1 month or 2, the color will start to fade. Then you don't get this beautiful reddish chili color. So My advice, don't buy too big of a packet. Buy the small packet so that every time you use, you probably always use it all or use most of it. Then you get the kind of beautiful color you wanted. All right. So now that this is boiling, we can then close the lid, tune down to medium low, and let it cook for at least minimum 20 to 25 minutes. Mainly just to make sure our potato is fully cooked. The potato, big chunks, usually at least 20 minutes. Right, this is after about 20 minutes. Wow, look at all this beautiful chili oil. And it is super fragrant. Now I still have some coconut milk. I diluted a little bit, yeah. Adding all this coconut milk inside. I like a rather watery version, seriously, so that I can drink my curry chicken. And I will banjir, I will flood my white rice with a lot of the curry broth. All right. So basically, it is almost done. I still have a few pieces of potato, put it inside. This is really more for garnishing. And you want to do some you want to use some salt and sugar to adjust to taste, and that's it. A very nice, drinkable curry chicken is actually ready. All right, so here's our very simple curry chicken. Let's garnish it with some fresh curry leaves. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.